Hi folks, welcome back. Brent here. Today is my second day off and I am going to go get a new car. Before I begin, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it greatly. You can see it is very rainy and typically New England right now in Connecticut. I'm at my parents' house, well, mom's house, and I'm picking up a trailer so that I can go to Massachusetts and pick up my new car. Not just any car, but you'll see when I get there. But I've got a new problem for you. Obviously, it's a little wet out. And yeah, I'm stuck. It's not going well. So I have my brother down back. He's getting the tractor. And there it is starting up. If you can't hear it, probably can't hear it. But yeah, we're stuck. And I need to be pulled out. I found the spirit animal of autumn in New England, the earthworm. There you go. I think it's working. Yeah, there we go. I think I'm actually catching him. I should probably slow down.
We have brand new police car.
I think I just got the neighbor's windows. I think I'll put this thing away.
They're passed out from heroin overdose. They're all set.
At least it's not illegal. It's green.
Yeah. What's that button? That was that button?
I think that's this button.
Okay.
All right.
What's that button?
This is left alley.
Okay. That.
Okay, so if I hit this rocker, it turns the lights all the way on, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, left alley is that light, right?
Yep.
So that means right alley is probably on the right. I got a spare here.
That goes blinkies.
Blinky.
Sorry, environment.
What's that do?
Nothing. Broken.
All right.
Cue the mic up.
Does the mic work?
There's the... I don't know.
Hang on. How the hell?
It's actually pretty nice, isn't it? It's actually.
Does this thing work?
You are surrounded.
Okay, yeah. Okay, this is bad news. I should not own this car. I can hear them like bumping, but they're not turning on. Are they stuck? Maybe the arm fell off.
No, it's on. They're on.
Regular horn, right?
Yeah, regular horn.
All right. What about headlight?
All right, do your turn signal. Yeah. Well, good. So our $1.99 bulbs work. Oh boy. Al Gore's coming here with helicopters. I know, in his private jet. Okay. Put it in reverse. Good. 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 Good.
Radio works.
And cheese, yes, delicious.
I'm gonna need a new one because that is garbage. I wonder if AC works. I heard it kick on. You hear it?
I heard it. Oh, there goes the mouse poopies.
Yeah, there comes all the mouse poop. It's cold. All right, I got cold AC, but no wipers. Yeah, oil pressure looks good. Temperature's coming up.
May just be a switch.
It's probably just a fuse or something. All right, so AC works. This thing works. I didn't turn it on.
Greta Thunberg and Al Gore are going to be coming in private jets and helicopters to shut you down for polluting the environment.
Oh my God, I hope so. The engine sounds good. It's just sounding really old, crappy gas. All right, let's get this thing put somewhere.
Ah!
Why do any motors work? There's only a couple tech screws holding the interior together.
Did you tell the audience how much this thing cost?
I spent $2,500
American.
on this piece of American iron. What do you think?
How many miles?
147,000.
Sounds like it just broken in.
It is. It sounds great, except for the crappy fuel. You can smell it. It smells like paint thinner. It's awful. And I got green alien lights. Cool. We should do a burnout with it.
Totally.
All right. Forgot to check the trunk. I think it's, yep. At least the trunk pops open better than the hood does. Hey!
Screwdrivers.
Harbor Freight screwdriver set. And only a couple are missing. Maybe. Actually, I think all of them except for this one is here. But I got this one, which is not the same.
It's a wire connectors.
Some.
And what is that, a diagram over there?
Looks like a, yeah, it's the light bar. Chewed, eaten.
That's mouse,
P. Yeah, I
mouse
think
house
that's P.
material.
That's probably P. There's no spare tire. I don't know what this is. Looks like a cup holder. Used to be a cup holder. Parts of a cup holder.
Anyway.
I don't know. I didn't check under here. I was hoping for guns and bullets and stuff, but I don't think there's going to be anything. But that's the wire connectors and poop. Oh! It just blew a whole bunch of air in my face and it was all mouse poop.
You got a job ahead of you. You need to have you need to get John Sullivan and Surf Pro out here.
Oh God, this thing's gross.
Get Johnny O out here.
Who's that celebrity guy who crime scene cleanup that they had on those TV shows, them reality shows?
Oh, I don't know.
I gotta get his ass out here. This thing
Get the wolf.
stinks.
You need the wolf from Pulp Fiction.
Right?
Cleans this up. This is a murder scene. You see, these tires got a lot of nice tread on them. Too bad they're all completely dry rotted. You're really not. Turn your wheel out in the front. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
That's probably gonna work.
Yeah, you see.
Oh, okay, I'm just saying don't hold it upright or else YouTube will yell at me.
YouTube yells at everybody.
So
these tires are awful.
Yeah,
they're not meant for the road. We should just leave them here.
I'm gonna see if this thing even does a burnout with 3-year-old gas and garbage. Want to go to the other side, or?
I don't know.
If it's got to open, you have the right real spin.
Well, it'd be cooler with you.
Hey, that was pretty easy. Thing's got some poke on it.
It smells better than mouse poopy.
It smells better than the gas that's in it, I'll tell you what. Those tires are garbage.
Dude,
Hey,
your neighbor's house is all smoked up now.
sorry, I'll buy you a steak.
I think your car's on fire.
No, I didn't make it that long. I just wanted to see if it would do one.
That's pretty good.
That
It
was
did.
pretty good.
That was a 2-wheel peel.
Awesome, so we learned something today.
Yes, we learned it does 2-wheel peel, and it does burnouts really, really well.
It does really good burnouts.
That's nice. You should keep these tires.
Keep them and burn them?
Yeah, we should burn them to the ground.
Well, I have...
Jesus, the whole neighborhood's under smoke.
Well, I mean,
You're gonna be kicked out of the association.
they're going to hate me. I mean, I've been here 7 years, the first time I've ever done a burnout. So, I'll apologize and I'll buy them all a drink.
See, police just do whatever they want around here. God.
Yeah, exactly, freaking jerks. Alright, I think it's better.
That's definitely a better air freshener than mouse poopies.
Oh, the mouse poop's awesome.
Yeah, I'm glad you can't smell this.
Yeah, I'm so glad. they
Look
have
at you.
this
You look like
over
you're in
here.
a Cheech and Chong video.
Oh, it was so bad. Guy didn't wave or anything. Would you say hello? That was mean. I'm just trying to be. Wait for it. Go for it.
You in the backpack, come out with your hands up. Roger, please come out with your hands up. You're so completely surrounded. Have a good day, bus driver and student.
What do you think, boy?
Your bicycle.
What do you think, boy?
I think it's really cool.
It is, isn't it?
Yes.
Have a good day, Jason. Temple 5 down. PAW,
Push the button. Say hi, sis.
That wasn't quite as good.
Eh,
I didn't want to hear
Was it
that.
fine?
it's all right. Still
Whatever.
smells pretty good.
I did the smoke show earlier. What do you want from me?
I love your car.
I got the kid here, you know, I can't be too much.
I love your car.
It is
Top
cool,
man, let's
isn't it,
go
bud?
home. Thank y'all for watching. I'm on low fuel. Now we got to get the thing home.